Many are asking me how did I modify the Aprilia swing arm to fit on Yamaha T135. Originally, this is a right side chain. This is where the chain goes. That's the original bike. So I converted it to left chain, the standard left chain for Asian bikes. So I cut a hole here. As you can see, this is the marks of the chain. I'll also cut some aluminum here. The original aluminum goes here, so I cut a certain space to give way for freedom of the monoshock to play. And at the under the bottom, this one I fabricated a flat bar which will hold the monoshock. This one is an original suspension holder, so 2 flat bars. This is where you insert your monoshock. And also TIG welded a aluminum flat bar here so that it can hold the 2 bolts holding the flat bar. Another one here, and also cover the swing arm. So that's it. And also here I drill a hole so that the chain will pass through here. And this is the caliper holder. I TIG welded also a flat bar here. So that's it. That's the Aprilia swing arm. The swing arm for a conversion for Yamaha LC135.